Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I have been working on depilling my sweaters. I have a lot of sweaters. You may know me for my cardigan sweaters, a lot of those, but I also have a lot of these type of sweaters, especially the cashmere ones that I have. They tend to pill a lot. So from year to year, they can just start looking really worn unless you can get those pills off. And this is the baby to do it. It's a, what do they call it? It's a sweater shaver. Sweatershaver.com is where this came from. I'm sure I got it on Amazon. But it's literally, this part just shaves the pills off of your sweater. And then it has this lint collector cup back here that I've emptied, so it's completely empty. And then this top thing can come off to get any lint that gets stuck under this guard over your shaver. So there's a guard. It's not going to hurt your sweaters. I've done it on all of my sweaters, even my favorite cashmere ones, and never had a problem. So I've actually done a bunch already. I if you thought I was a little obsessed with the color pink or purple, you were right. And I've done a couple of my Fair Isle sweaters, which I love Fair Isle sweaters. I don't know why. I just am drawn to them. This one was super pilly. Use a lint shaver on it and it looks like new. Love these. And then I have two more that still need work. One of them is this Fair Isle sweater. I just washed it and it's got all these pills on the top and especially on the bottom, you can see. So we're going to take care of that one. And this one, another just plain crew sweater. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'll take some photos so you can see it better, but there's all kinds of pills on this one as well. And the first thing I think when I see that is, that's an old sweater. But a few minutes with this handy dandy lint shaver, and they literally look like new. So let's see what we can do on this one. You just turn it on and start kind of do this in circular motions. The pills seem to gather like on the inside of the sleeves where they rub against each other, against your body, and kind of on the sides here too. I don't usually have to do them on the sleeves, just on the inside of the sleeves or up here anywhere. And it's usually mostly on the front, although there can be some on the back too. But I'm just going to keep working on this and I'll speed it up so we can do it fast. According to my timer, I've been doing this sweater for about 4 minutes. I probably will do a few more minutes on it just because I'm that way, but it looks 99% better already. And I want to show you the proof, and that is in this cover that holds all the lint. Look at all that lint, pilly stuff that I got off my sweater and now just got on my sweater. So now it's a mess, but that's kind of the proof is in the pudding. I usually empty it once and then do it another little bit of a go over, and it's as good as new. Let's try the other sweater. This is one of my very favorite sweaters. It's so soft. And since this is one of my favorites, I want to hold on to it as long as I can. Okay, I think I've been doing that another 3 minutes, but while I will probably work a little more on the bottom here because there's a few little hanging things hanging down. The front looks like new again, and so does the collar. And with an investment like cashmere or even just your everyday sweaters like this one I got at TJ Maxx, it's worth that little bit of time and money investment. These are, gosh, I'm just gonna have to guess $15 on Amazon. If I'm wrong, I apologize about that. And I've had this for probably 5 years, keeps on going. So if your sweaters have looked a little bit tired lately and a little worn, give this a try, and I bet you will be amazed at how they have a new lease on life. Thanks for joining me. If you are interested in tips like this and a whole lot more, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. It's something that gets sent to your email every day, no cost to you, and it's jam-packed full of ideas like this and other fun things every single day. So check it out. Have a great day, everyone.